Alright, so now I gotta show you what else I gotta fix or do because I bought a, quote, used like new sprinkler off Amazon, as was the description. It said in the box, just without instructions. So I said, okay, I can figure out how to thread a sprinkler on without instructions. Real easy, not a problem. Except that my new sprinkler was missing the guts in the port. And all that is this screw up top and this little, I don't know if you'd call it a diffuser plate or what, but orifice, basically. So my assumption, this is an assumption, is that someone bought a new sprinkler off Amazon, stole these pieces that they needed for some reason, and then returned it and said that it was used like new and that they just didn't need it. And I mean, I don't really blame Amazon. Are they really going to open it up and inspect it and then see that it's not there? No, they're just going to be like, okay, good enough. Sell it to somebody else at a discount. And that's me. But the good news is I have this old broken sprinkler, so I have the parts that I need. It's just a little bit of a pain in the butt, but I'm going to tell all you guys what to do. So ultimately, my brand new sprinkler looks just like this, with no, it doesn't have that screw either. But I'm going to be able to take the screw and that orifice out of this one and just go throw it in the new one. The way it works is, it's hard to show you because that's spring loaded, but you can pretty well see this orifice just slides right in there, upright. I don't know if it really matters if it's upright or not, but yeah, it does. And that little cut that you can see right here is just enough that this screw can go down through it so that the water pressure won't blast this out. The screw is what holds it in place. So to get to this, this little rubber cap actually snaps in on top. I think, whoever this is, Pro Plus, I don't even know if that's the name or if it's a Rainbird or what it is, but anyway, they show a little tool on one picture I saw. It showed a little like cross-shaped key tool that can be used to adjust this and can also tap in here and pull that screw out. It is pretty tight because it's a coarse threaded screw in plastic. I had to use a little jeweler's screwdriver to get it started, and then once I had the top of it up above this ledge, then I used a bigger screwdriver just because I was able to get a little better bite and twist it around on out. So I'm going to, because these are little pieces, I don't want to lose them, so I'm going to go out to the yard and get that other new sprinkler, put these parts in it, and then take it back out there and put it back on. Okay, so here's my new sprinkler, fresh taken apart, and you can see right in here, no pieces, no green piece, and no screw, and I've got the plastic cap still on. So I'm gonna try to work on this and let you guys see. Okay, now I'm trying to do this hands-free, obviously, so I need two hands for the spring, but so you guys can see. I know it's not easy because it's further away, it's a weird perception, but there's our entrance hole. The lighting's terrible, but you can't see, but it's right there. And I think I mentioned in the install video on the sprinkler, but it's always lined up with the 360 mark on top. So to take the little orifice plate here and just drop it in there. Looks like it only goes in one way. Shove it in all the way. And then we're going to get our screw the rest of the way out of this other one. Let's see what that's got to do. And I'm going to try to go ahead and put it in through the top here without taking this rubber plate off. I should be able to. Yeah. Just shove it in there. And put a little weight on it. Turn it backwards till the threads line up because I don't want to get it cross-threaded. And then turn it forwards and start it in there. And it's a-going. I'm making a video about the sprinkler while working on the sprinkler. Live action. There you go. Screws all the way in. Don't see anything on top. Put it back in the barrel, which I'll have to line it up out in the field or out in the yard, but that's it. Now it's a like new sprinkler. Go thread it on the stand and be done. We'll get it aligned and then I'm done. All right, here's the test. The one on the right's always been good. The one on the left over there is the one that was busted in so many ways. But it's working now. It moves real slow, so I'm not going to stand here and wait for you guys to see, but if you stand here and watch long enough, it will, work its way all the way to the right and then back all the way to the left because it's in the 180 pattern. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off for now. I just wanted to, it's actually, the spray on it looks messed up compared to this one because it's actually down in the weeds. So it's getting a little messed up by the weeds it's hitting, but it is working just like it's supposed to.